Hi everyone! Time for a little garden tour today. It's been a while, and so maybe you can see how much my garden has grown. It's been getting very cold at night, so I've been covering up my tomatoes. You can see I'm getting a lot of tomatoes all on this little grape cherry tomato. My cauliflower is growing. Got carrots coming up everywhere, but they take so long. Anyways, it is December 12th, and I want to show you that I'm getting some nice ripe tomatoes. Not a lot, but it's amazing to me that in this cold weather I'm getting tomatoes. This is that big tomato plant, as you can see. I don't know if you can see this one right back in there, how huge it's getting. This is my first attempt at gardening, and it's taking a long while to get everything growing since I'm losing my amount of sunlight I have during the day. But you can see I'm getting ripe tomatoes. This one here is just now producing tomatoes. And honestly, with the weather getting so cold, they may not get ripe. These are all my peas coming up. That is a cold weather vegetable, so it should be okay. My cauliflower. So things are growing. You can see I got a pile of sheets over there where I've been covering these at night. Got a pretty good sized bell pepper. Let's see. Right here growing. All these little carrots sprouting everywhere. So I have my herbs over here, and I have some peas that kind of accidentally sprouted up here in this in this bin. But all of this here is cilantro. It took a long time to get growing, but it's growing. Got a potato planted down here. That's an experiment. We'll see what happens. My radishes are doing well. I've been picking them. These are all radishes here. And see if I can, yeah, here's one here. Right in here. Let's pull that one out. They're little, but they're tasty. I probably could have left that in a few more days. Some more bell peppers in here. These are my hot peppers. Jalapenos. And these over here, all my beets. They're not ready yet, but I only got one eggplant this year. I don't know if you can see it. Right there it is. Right. Where is it? Right there. Next year I'm hoping to grow some more. I've got some celery coming up right here. And a lot of turnips growing all in here. And this right here is just an onion that I planted from an onion. We'll see how that does. So I have some more peas sprouting here. They'll eventually climb up this trellis, I hope. This is my broccoli. No, I take it back. This is my broccoli here. And this is Brussels sprouts. All of these big plants in here. And then all my carrots are coming up. They take something like 4 months. Look how big my broccoli is getting. My goodness. And more peas coming up. Back over here in the corner. So things are still growing. This is all practice for me this year. Next year, I get a garden in on time. And hopefully, I'll get more production and harvest. But I'm pleased with how things are going along. It's fun to grow. So I read a little tip. These indeterminate tomato plants, they just grow and grow and grow in height till they just stop. But I don't want them to grow anymore in height, so I want them to finish. See, I've got them everywhere. I want these to all mature and ripen, and it's just, like I say, I'm running out of sun. So what I've done is I've clipped the tops of these as not to get any more tomatoes, so that way, hopefully I'm sending a message to this tomato plant to just, finish up what you got. But it's a fun thing to do. I'm really enjoying it. And next year, it's going to be a lot better. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon. Love you guys. Bye for now. The sailor doesn't want to play. Get sailor. What's wrong with you, sailor? You just want to watch Maggie play. You want to watch a little chunky chihuahua. Oh, get it. Oh, get it. Oh. Get it, Maggie. Get it, Maggie. Get it. Who's stronger, sailor or the chunky chihuahua?